Bring awareness now to your feet to practice a meditation called body awareness. This will bring you into the present moment, alleviating mental stress or overthinking. Focus only on your feet. Your right foot, your left foot, your toes, your ankles, now bring attention to your legs. Your right leg, your left leg, your calves, knees, and thighs. If your mind begins to wander, it's okay. This is completely normal and quite common. Simply return your focus to your body when you've noticed you've strayed. Focusing in on your hips now, the pelvis, your reproductive region, the womb where your baby resides. Notice now your abdomen, the lower back, your rib cage and lungs, protected by the chest. Knowing your baby's milk flows effortlessly from your breasts, nourishing them with nature's recipe. Think of your neck now, your throat and vocals. How will you speak to your little one? Perhaps you will sing a sweet lullaby as they drift asleep. Attention is now upon your entire head, your face, your ears, your eyes, your nose, and mouth. Very good. Let yourself relax deeply now as you hear these positive affirmations for pregnancy flowing through your awareness. You may repeat them after me for a deeper connection to the words. I am an amazing mother. I am an amazing mother. I am growing a life of love inside me. My body is strong and resilient. I cherish every moment of my pregnancy. I look forward to the moment I meet my child. I was given the gift of life to bring forth life. I know that everything is happening as it should. I trust in my body. I trust in my mothering abilities. I am able to power through any struggle, gaining wisdom from it. It is easy for me to set aside worry in exchange for faith. It is a blessing to be with child. I love my body in all stages of pregnancy. Rest with these powerful statements in mind and rise from your meditation whenever you're ready.